Pearls of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported Allah's messenger, may peace be upon him, as saying, verily, Allah likes 3 things for you, and He disapproves 3 things for you. He is pleased with you, that you worship Him and associate not anything with Him, that you hold fast the rope of Allah and be not scattered, and He disapproves for you irrelevant talk, persistent questioning, and the wasting of wealth. Sahih Muslim, Volume 3, Book of Judicial Decisions, Hadith number 4255.